Hansal Mehta is a director and writer, acclaimed director and writer. Hansal Mehta, welcome. Mukesh Khanna is with us tonight. He's head of the Children's Film Society. Well-known actor. Thank you very much, Mukesh Khanna. With me in the studio, I have Piyush Mishra, actor and very well-known and respected theatre personality. Shaina NC of the BJP. And completing the panel is the fiery and sometimes very controversial documentary filmmaker Anand Patwardhan. Thank you very much, Anandji. Now, I just want to say this at the start. Everybody speaks freely. We express our points of view and we can disagree as much as we want. Now, my question is first to Piyush Mishra. Piyush Mishra, what do you think the government is doing wrong by appointing this particular gentleman as the chairperson of the FTI?
क्वालिफिकेशन एंड क्वालिफिकेशन बंदे को क्वालिफाई होना चाहिए
जी। क्वालिफाइड है?
क्वालिफाइड बात करते हैं, क्वालिफाइड है कि नहीं, क्वालिफाइड कैसे हैं, क्या एक्सपीरियंस है उनके पास में एक एफटीआई जैसे इंटरनेशनली एक्लेम्ड इंस्टीट्यूट को चलाने का। तो हम बात करते हैं कि कैसे क्वालिफाइड वो क्वालिफाइड हो सकते हैं। वो हिंदुस्तान में फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में रह सकते हैं, 30 साल वो बतला रहे, 30 साल का एक्सपीरियंस उनके पास में, 30 क्या 40-50 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है लोगों के पास में फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में रहने का
जी।
तो दैट डजंट मेक देम क्वालिफाइड इनफ टू रन इंस्टीट्यूट लाइक
what do you need to be? Let me ask you, Piyush ji, what do you need to be? What, you know, because these people, it's not, I agree with you first of all. I don't think that to run FTI you need to show that you have 20 years of experience, 30 years. It's the quality of your work, it's how much respect you have. Does he fit those qualifications?
The man has to be a face of Indian cinema. कहीं ना कहीं he has to be the face of Indian cinema.
जी।
वो कहीं ना कहीं उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन होना चाहिए
जी।
एफटीआई में, सिनेमा मेकिंग में ही इज फिट। हाँ देखिए, वो अगर एफटीआई में कोई थिएटर का डिपार्टमेंट, इसका टेलीविजन का डिपार्टमेंट होता, जो कि है
जी, और
एफटीआई में टेलीविजन के डिपार्टमेंट में कोई एक्टिंग का डिपार्टमेंट होता कि टेलीविजन एक्टिंग को पढ़ाना है, टेलीविजन एक्टिंग को नहीं जी, टेलीविजन एक्टिंग को पढ़ाना है, वहां को हेड कर सकते थे जी। वो अच्छा है बुरा है अलग बात है, वहां को हेड कर सकते थे। लेकिन एफटीआई जैसे इंस्टीट्यूट को, मेजर इंस्टीट्यूट में एक चेयरमैनशिप, अरे बाबा बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, बहुत बड़ी बात।
तो ऑन द अदर साइड मुकेश खन्ना, ही इज हेड ऑफ द चिल्ड्रंस फिल्म सोसाइटी. Mukesh Khanna, this is no qualification. What is the qualification? A person who is famous for doing what? I mean, he's played the role in Mahabharat, but after that, what has he done? And he plays roles in movies called Jungle Love, B-grade movies. Of late, he's been an actor in B-grade movies. I don't even want to repeat the names of the movies. I don't even want to talk about what roles he's done. And then you basically are saying he's qualified because he's done 20 years. Why? 20 years as what? 20 years as what, Mukesh Khanna? Jungle Love? Dancer as Koshi? No, एक मिनट. Z Horror Show? Atma? साया? राजा की आएगी बारात? आज का रावण? बिल्ला नंबर 786? कोई लेवल तो हो, ये क्यों कर रहे हैं देश के साथ ऐसा? मुकेश जी।
देखिए, मैं सबसे पहले तो ये जानना चाहूंगा कि इंस्टीट्यूट के डायरेक्टर को अपॉइंट करना गवर्नमेंट का हक है। गवर्नमेंट ने गजेंद्र चौहान को चुना। गजेंद्र चौहान में कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मैं इस रोल को, मैं इस पद को मैं संभाल सकता हूं। तो अगर उसे मौका ना दिया जाए और आप अगर उसकी फिल्मों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, उसके क्वालिफिकेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, आपका हक उसके न चलने के बाद में न कुछ किया होता, अगर बराबर उसने इंस्टीट्यूट को नहीं चलाया, अगर उसने प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं किए, फिर अगर आप प्रोटेस्ट करते तो वो प्रोटेस्ट
सुनिए कोई नहीं बात
से जो ये प्रोटेस्ट।
मुकेश जी पीयूष मिश्रा आपको कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करना चाहते हैं। मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहूंगा कि आप ये ना भूलें, सारे सम्मान से बोल रहा हूं आपको, आप भी प्रतिष्ठित एक्टर है, मगर ये बात आपको कहना चाहता हूं कि ये कोई आइसक्रीम की फैक्ट्री नहीं है। ये एफटीआई है जहां से नसीरुद्दीन शाह, शबाना आजमी, ओमपुरी, राजकुमार हिरानी, प्रकाश झा, विधु विनोद चोपड़ा, कई जाने माने हस्ती इधर से पास किया उन्होंने। उनको कैसा लगेगा कल कि आप किसी को भी बना देते हैं और पीयूष मिश्रा wants to contradict you. After that I'll get the
मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूं मुकेश साहब,
पीयूष मिश्रा कह रहे हैं आपसे कुछ।
मेरा नाम पीयूष मिश्रा है, मेरा नाम पीयूष सुनिए, मेरा नाम पीयूष मिश्रा है और मैं 36 साल से हिंदुस्तान में और समाज के देश और समाज की सेवा कर रहा हूं। खूब थिएटर किया है, खूब सिनेमा किया है, खूब थिएटर किया, खूब सिनेमा किया है। एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी नहीं हूं लेकिन ऑर्डिनरी भी नहीं, है ना। अगर मेरे पास में ये पदवी आती है, मेरे पास में ये सम्मान आता है कि आप जो है एफटीआई के चेयरमैन बन जाइए, तो एक बार की मैं भी कांप जाऊंगा। आई विल से नो, आई एम नॉट क्वालिफाइड फॉर दिस. Despite of having done theatre and cinema and quality work for such a long time, I will say no, because it's a specialized task. It is a specialized task. That's all. I finished.
It's a specialized task. Okay, Hansal Mehta. Let's get the ones who are outside the panel first. Hansal Mehta, the first argument put by Mukesh Khanna, and there are others on the program, is that technically he is qualified. What's your problem? Hansal Mehta, please.
Well, I don't know about technical qualifications. I don't know how you can call him technically qualified, but I want to know, there has been this talk about that the previous government did this, so why can't we do this? The biggest argument that we have been listening to in this raging debate has been about how a government can appoint its own people, talent from within its own cadre, to govern a government-run institution. And I am saying, yes, select the best man for the job, but select the best man for the job, and do not use, when it suits you, don't use precedent as an excuse.
Yeah.
You use the precedent that, okay, the Congress government did this, they appointed Saeed Mirza, so why can't we appoint Gajendra Chauhan? Don't use precedent as an
What are the qualifications of Gajendra Chauhan?
Expect two wrongs to make a right.
Right. Well, okay, let's be very direct. What are the problems, what are the qualifications of Gajendra Chauhan? I want to ask Shaina NC. Shaina NC,
Yes.
One of his famous roles is that in a film whose name I will not repeat. One second. A string of B-grade movies, which are shameful today. Right? Now somebody can say that you've got every right, he has the right to play roles in any movies. You know the kind of movies he's done, the track record this man has. If there is something which is not called good cinema, it is what Gajendra Chauhan has done. You can't get into a subjective area that Khuli Khidki, Jungle Love and Dil Ka Sauda are also good cinema. That's not good cinema. Now it is embarrassing that if you tell me, if Khuli Khidki, Jungle Love, Lalu Ram and Raja Ki Aayegi Barat, which is, by the way, about a rape victim who is ordered to marry her rapist. Now I can get into details, right? No, I can get into details of that. There are vulgar interpretations of Tarzan, which he is known for. Tell me one thing, why should a person who is known in movies for playing the vulgar interpretation of Tarzan be heading FTI?
Can you judge creativity, and have you already judged
then
the fact that he has worked in 700 TV serials?
No. What do you mean? Can you judge creativity?
No. You have already.
What do you mean? Can you judge creativity?
This is an administrative job where the government decides. The Information and Broadcasting Ministry has every right and has the prerogative.
It's not about right.
Who would be in a position to deliver?
This is power, might is right kind of argument.
Deliver what? If he hasn't delivered.
Deliver what? He's got a good point. Deliver what? Deliver what?
Issues of the
How is he in a position
to deliver?
Can I have everyone on the screen?
Already arrived at a conclusion that he will not be fit to be chairman.
No.
I want to ask a counter question, that if he has been not sympathetic with the students' issues, not understood what is best for the institute, whether it is autonomy of the institute or ensuring that there is enough fund so that infrastructure of the institute only improves. I think we're being terribly judgmental to sit on this kind of platform and say that this person should not be given a chance. Why shouldn't he be given a chance?
I like your argument. By your argument, okay, Shaina, I understood your point. By your argument, I compliment you for your argument. Creativity cannot be judged. Anand Patwardhan, by that logic tomorrow, Shaina NC can be learning fashion from Gajendra, because, you can be told tomorrow, and if you say, I'm not going to learn fashion from Gajendra, he can come around and tell you, I am very creative.
That is not the point.
No, that is exactly the point.
In the
by this, by your logic,
he's not going into another profession.
Ma'am, please understand.
He is part of a profession.
You're insulting this profession. Let me tell you, if what you are saying, you're basically saying there's no difference between Gulzar Saab on the one side and Gajendra on the other. There is no difference between Adur Gopalakrishnan on the one side. And there is tomorrow China NC will say that the Bharatiya Janata Party has decided there is no difference between Shyam Benegal on the one side and Gajendra on the other. There is a person who can do Raja Ki Aayegi Barat on the one side and Shyam Benegal.
Gulzar Saab have the absolute enthusiasm.
कुछ और कंट्रीब्यूट किया होता. चलिए, एज अ फिल्म मेकर कुछ भी किसी भी कैपेसिटी में आपके कैन बी कॉल्ड द फेस ऑफ सिनेमा. उनका क्या है अभी तक कंट्रीब्यूशन? वो खराब आदमी नहीं होंगे, बहुत अच्छे आदमी होंगे. X versus a Y who may be a senior citizen, maybe not interested in the role, may not have the energy or the enthusiasm. Here you have somebody. You're not giving the person. मेरी बात सुनिए कि आपके मतलब वो किसी भी कैपेसिटी में अच्छे आदमी होंगे. मैं मेरे दुश्मन नहीं है वो, है ना. लेकिन मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मेरी माँ को कम से कम 50-60 साल का एक्सपीरियंस था चौका बर्तन करने का. बट दैट डजंट मेक हर क्वालिफाइड इनफ टू गो एट माय फादर्स वर्क प्लेस एंड वाइस वर्सा. अपनी अपनी जगह सबका काम उनको साझे, सबका काम उनको साझे.
One second, there is something called opportunity, and with that opportunity, the enthusiasm to deliver, if you are part of that profession. Nobody is picking you up. Nobody is picking up a chef and saying become.
सुनिए मेरी बात. अच्छा, अभी मैं आनंद पटवर्धन को लाऊंगा इधर. कोई ये कहे what is the contribution of that person? Hansal Mehta is saying.
Can somebody be transparent about the recruitment process?
Yeah, we need to be transparent about the recruitment process. Mukesh Khanna, before you come in, just one thought, and I'm letting Anand Patwardhan come into the debate.
Today, if you say... If you're saying that, you know, he has been recruited... Yeah. If you're talking about opportunity, then what is the... How has he been recruited? On what basis? Yeah. Tell us that. How do you find him capable for the job?
You see, it's the point that is to be made here is, what their argument today will be, Hansal Mehta, कि हर व्यक्ति गिरीश कर्नाड नहीं होता. Suppose somebody says everybody is not a Girish Karnad, everybody has not got the Gyanpith Award and the Sahitya Academy Award, etc., etc. But then everybody has some contribution to cinema.
Exactly.
No. Suppose it is not. Don't bring it down to just an administrative job of the FTII. Then I can tell you tomorrow, then you get a private sector HR consultant, advertise the job, and tomorrow you get anybody who passes out of the IIM and say you head the FTI. Don't reduce it to that.
Expertise in the industry as well. If
I don't know.
Been a part of
what
television,
expertise? Tell me what is the expertise?
If there's 700 television serials that he's done, 150 films, some of which you may not like, some of which you may. The point is, the man is not from handpicked from some different profession and said, now take on this job. He is enthusiastic about working with the students.
What do you mean enthusiastic?
Students have had a dialogue with the Information Broadcasting Minister, and the Minister, Mr. Arun Jaitley, has heard out their issues, has convinced them that these issues will be addressed, and those issues...
You know, some of the movies... Okay, well, Anand Patwardhan...
Couldn't convince them. He tried to convince them, but they couldn't get convinced.
If there is a dialogue, then there has to... Of course there should be a... If there isn't a dialogue, then you
Anand Patwardhan.
As far as I've been told by the students that in fact they did meet Mr. Jaitley. Mr. Jaitley met them for a very short period of time, and he basically gave them an ultimatum that either you go back to class or tomorrow we don't really care about this institute. We are willing to put lots of money into this if you toe our line. But if you don't toe our line, then we don't mind if tomorrow it gets privatized.
Right.
If we throw this government institution into privatized territory and then let that happen. Basically it's an ultimatum.
No, but how does that happen?
Because I want to say also that let us not go only about Mr. Chauhan, because there is a clear pattern to these appointments. This pattern is nothing but saffronization of key posts in high government office. I think Mr. Mukesh Khanna himself is part of that pattern. As Children's Film Society chairperson, let's start with the CBFC. The appointment of CBSC was Mr. Pahlaj Nilani. Within a very short time, he embarrassed the whole industry by banning 20 words, including the word Bombay. His claim to this office seems to have been nothing but the fact that he campaigned for Mr. Modi. Mr. Mukesh Khanna is famous for having said that Mr. Modi is Shaktiman.
Mukesh Khanna. No, what
Mr.
are you saying? You can talk, tell him directly. Mukesh Khanna, Anand Patwardhan is saying anybody who has praised Mr. Modi in the past and anybody who has supported the BJP is now going to get some government appointment which is unfair. Mukesh Khanna is responding to you. Go ahead.
मैं पटवर्धन जी से पूछना चाहूंगा कि मैं भीष्म पितामह बना हूं, मैं शक्तिमान बना हूं। शक्तिमान बनकर पिछले 15 सालों से मैं बच्चों के बीच में घूम रहा हूं। जितना मैंने बच्चों के लिए किया है किसी ने नहीं किया है। मैं इंस्टीट्यूट से ग्रेजुएट पास हुआ हूं। मैं इन सब लोगों को पूछना चाहता हूं, सबसे बड़ी बात एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं मैं। आप लोग जब आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रहे हो, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द राइट, मैं आप लोगों का राइट जानना चाहता हूं। आप लोग इस तरह की बातें करते हो, सेफ्रोनाइजेशन या मैं बीजेपी में हूं इसलिए मुझे सेलेक्ट किया गया। डू यू थिंक आई एम नॉट फिट फॉर चेयरमैन ऑफ?
अच्छा, पीयूष मिश्रा जवाब देंगे। पीयूष मिश्रा will answer you. Mukesh Khanna.
No, let me come to the main point.
Okay,
let me
go on.
No, let me talk to Piyush also first.
जी।
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं कि देखिए, अगर किसी के पास में एक इंस्टीट्यूट होती है, सपोज कल मेरे पास एक इंस्टीट्यूट है, मैं अपने इंस्टीट्यूट का एक प्रिंसिपल ज्वाइन बनाता हूं किसी को, स्टूडेंट्स को क्या हक होता है कि वो कहे कि इस प्रिंसिपल को हटा दीजिए? स्टूडेंट्स को सिर्फ इतना हक है कि अगर आपको यहां पर एजुकेशन ठीक नहीं लग रहा है तो आप छोड़ दीजिए इंस्टीट्यूट ना।
अरे वाह,
आपके पास या पीयूष जी के पास या पटवर्धन जी के पास हम यहाँ बैठ के डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, क्या हक है गवर्नमेंट को चैलेंज करने का?
अच्छा, तो
गवर्नमेंट को चैलेंज करने का किसको हक है? उन्होंने चूज किया है। मैं अपनी इंस्टीट्यूट चलाता हूं, आप या तो छोड़ दीजिए, आप पढ़ाई छोड़ दीजिए, बाहर निकल जाइए ना, अगर आप सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है।
नहीं, ये क्या लॉजिक? मुकेश खन्ना जी, ये क्या बात हुई? पहली बात तो ये कोई प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट है नहीं, ये सरकारी इंस्टीट्यूट। सरकार, एक बात कहना, सरकार लोगों की सरकार होती है,
प्राइवेट
सरकार को फंड कौन करता है? टैक्स पेयर्स फंड करते हैं। नहीं, आप मुझे एक बात बताइए कि आपको मैं दो चीजों का कंपैरिजन कराता हूं। सुनिए मेरी बात।
आप
पब्लिक को क्यों नहीं, आप और कोई नहीं मिले आपके पास जो भी बात सुनिए। ओके, हंसल मेहता एंड बिफोर दैट पीयूष मिश्रा विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू द क्वेश्चन।
सेफ्रोनाइजेशन नहीं सर, सेफ्रोनाइजेशन हो या नहीं हो, राइट विंग हो या लेफ्ट विंग हो, इसी इंस्टीट्यूट में एक चेयरमैन ने हेड किया था, अगर मेरी जानकारी गलत नहीं है तो दैट वाज विनोद खन्ना साहब। एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट वाज हैप्पी, एवरीबॉडी वाज हैप्पी विद हिम। बिना फोन किए, बिना घंटी दबाए उनके कमरे में चले जाया करते थे। ही वाज सच अ काइंड सोल ना, हर बंदे की सुनते थे वो। ये भरोसा इन पर क्यों नहीं है? ये विश्वास इन पर क्यों नहीं है? एंड ही वॉज अ फेस ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा।
मौका ही नहीं दिया।
मौका, आप ये देखिए, मौका देंगे तो आपके कम से कम क्यों नहीं? अरे फेस वैल्यू भी तो कुछ चीज होती है।
मौका ही नहीं दिया आपने, मौका नहीं दिया किसी को, आप बोलते हैं कि उसका अधिकार नहीं है।
You have already said this. You have gone by previous example.
वही तो बोल रहा हूं।
What makes you think that this example is not going to be a good example?
पर इतना भरोसा नहीं है।
आपने विनोद खन्ना को
प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे हैं,
टाइम दिया है, गजेंद्र को टाइम कहां दिया आपने?
प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे हैं सर, इनके प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स के प्रोजेक्ट छोड़ के, स्टडीज छोड़ के अगर वो स्ट्राइक में लगे हुए हैं तो ये ना अपने लिए अच्छी बात है और ना नेशन के लिए अच्छी बात है।
करना है कि जिन लोगों ने
आंचल मेहता
मुझे ये बताइए, जानू बरुआ
जी,
why have Janu Barua and Pallavi Joshi refused to be part of the governing council? The people appointed by the government in the governing council do not want to be part of a council that is headed by Gajendra Chavan.
But that is their choice.
Why is the people that you have appointed not showing confidence in your own?
So वो उनकी choice है भाई.
Appointment. Why is that? Why has that happened?
No, what do you mean? That is
उनकी choice है, लेकिन क्यों? आपको जानना नहीं है, बस उनकी choice है. आप you want to dismiss it by saying कि उनकी choice है, आपको करना है, पढ़ना है तो पढ़िए.
जिनके नाम ले रहे हैं ना हंसल साहब, वो आपके संतोष सिवन रिजाइन, पल्लवी जोशी रिजाइन, जानू बरुआ रिजाइन. आपको मालूम है ना क्या इनका क्या रेपुटेशन हिंदुस्तान में, सिनेमा में?
बिल्कुल.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं सर आप, कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं मुकेश जी? क्या रेपुटेशन इनकी सिनेमा में, कितनी बड़ी रेपुटेशन इनकी सिनेमा में? क्या है ना, एफटीआई ने सर 80-90% जो है जितने अवार्ड्स आते हैं,
उनका माइंड है, उन्होंने सोचा है, आपका माइंड है.
अरे बाबा, आप तो बिल्कुल ही बिल्कुल एक्सट्रीम बातें कर रहे हैं. मतलब पढ़ना हो तो पढ़े,
क्यों है, लेकिन क्यों है आप
somebody else's mind.
अरे सर, इन बातों के सामने आर्गुमेंट ही नहीं हो सकता. आप तो ऐसी अजीब सी बातें कर रहे हैं. आई एम कोटिंग संतोष सिवन.
कीजिए ना, पल्लवी जोशी ने छोड़ दिया है तो राइट बात हो गई.
अरे मैं संतोष सिवन का नाम ले रहा हूं साहब, जानू बरुआ का नाम ले रहा हूं. आप जरा एक बार सोचकर देखिए, कौन लोग हैं ये लोग? कौन लोग हैं?
संतोष जी भी छोड़े या बड़े से बड़ा क्रिएटिव
क्यों छोड़ा उन्होंने?
नहीं, but आप नहीं, one minute, just one minute. First of all, remember, very well-known actor Pallavi Joshi, very respected, one of India's most celebrated filmmakers, Janu Barua, one of India's maybe number one cinematographer, I think, right? Santosh Sivan. They say we don't like what the government is doing. What you are saying is you don't like it, walk off. We don't care. Students don't like it, walk off. Agree with us, we close down the institute. This is bullying.
People who don't agree.
China NC, you understand this is a democracy.
Absolutely.
You can't thrust your way.
We don't want a dialogue with the students, or students.
There is no dialogue happening with the student. What dialogue?
When they have to come forth with their points, the points will be addressed.
No, what is the point is simply this, that today what you've decided is if there's somebody who's a BJP member and supporter, this is now BJP Sarkar, time for birthday gifts to be passed around. अब ये FTI जो है, it cannot become a birthday gift for somebody who campaigned for the BJP, Mukesh Khanna. Don't you understand this? This is a government that is chosen by the people to respect the traditions of this country. Not to destroy the FTI. No, because I find it ridiculous.
Arnab, Arnab,
okay. You tell me. Okay, ask me. I'll answer that.
I find it ridiculous. You are telling me that I campaigned for BJP. You are just telling me, listen Arnab, you are just telling me that I have campaigned for BJP. You are not seeing what I have done for kids.
Now, one second. First point, Mukesh Khanna. When you were made head of the Children's Film Society, was there such a big ruckus? There wasn't. Because there is some understanding of the work that you have done and the appreciation. Now, what the point here is, Mr. Mukesh Khanna, understand. Here is the person.
Not
now,
at all.
Mr. Mukesh Khanna, understand this. There's a person, his best known movie is Jungle Love, in which he revolves, a plot is around a boy who is abandoned in a jungle because he's born in an Amazonian state. There is a treasure, there are some tacky animal-human interactions, and this man has a permanently creepy look. One second. Then there's another movie called Khuli Khirki or something like that, the story of a handsome chap and his masculine instinct that bring anatomy changes in him after his love relationship. I'm reading here. Then there is another film called Dil Ka Sauda. Now understand, this is India's most prestigious film institute. There is don't tell me that China's argument is the most ridiculous. Creativity has no definition. In other words, she will say tomorrow that Dil Ka Sauda on the one side and Satyajit Ray can be compared.
No,
so you don't stretch the argument. Rahul Ishwar, you know something is very clear. You can't be a horror show expert and expect to be leading the Film and Television Institute of India. This country has eminent personalities. You can shortlist Anupam Kher. People wouldn't have made a big deal of it. You can shortlist any other people. It's not about right wing or left wing. You understand, Rahul? It's about the cinema that you represent. Some values. Rahul Ishwar.
Two things. If I can point out.
Rahul Ishwar. Rahul Ishwar, go ahead. Rahul.
If you read the press release of If you read the press release of Pune Film Institute students at first, they were even objecting an eminent Suresh Gopi from Kerala heading NFDC. They are saying government is crushing liberal and progressive values. Let us face the fact, who is heading the strike? A far left organization like ISA. I totally concede there might be different opinions on Gajendra Chauhan. Also, but having said that, let us not use Gajendra Chauhan as a piggyback
is ISA a band organization?
Right forces.
Is All India Students, is it a band? Is ISA a band organization? Sorry, is ISA a band organization? Is ISA a band organization? Is the ABVP a band organization? If the ABVP has a right to exist, ISA has a right to exist. No, what do you mean? People will say ABVP is a right-wing student organization. What are you saying? Correct yourself.
No, 1 second. Also has a right to exist.
No, 1 second. Who's saying?
Gajendra Chauhan also has a right to exist.
Yeah, but
person like Saeed
okay, so if I tell you, okay, here's a question to you. Okay, here's a question to you, sir. Rahul Ishwar, listen. Rahul Ishwar, calm down.
And he can exist.
ठंडे दिमाग से आप गुस्सा हो रहे हैं बेकार में. मेरी बात सुनिए. My question is, suppose I say, चलिए, I ask you a question. I asked this question to Mukesh Khanna actually. My question is, you name a person from cinema, you can say what is his contribution to cinema. For example, I say let us take a person called Saeed Mirza. I say Saeed Mirza's contribution is that he is one of the people who gave shape. People may agree, disagree, like him or not like him. He gave shape to the parallel cinema movement of the 1970s. So you know what his contribution to cinema is. I want to know what is the contribution, or what is this fellow's name? I forget his name also. Gajendra Chauhan. What is his contribution to cinema? Mukesh Khanna, बताइए मुझे contribution to cinema क्या है उनकी?
Arnav, you are talking about Syed Mirza.
जी.
You are talking about. Let me say, you are talking about Syed Mirza. Syed Mirza was given the job. He performed or he did not perform. That is the criteria.
No, ये सवाल नहीं है. मेरा सवाल क्या था? नहीं, मेरा सवाल कुछ और था. आपने समझ नहीं. मेरी बात मुकेश जी देखिए ऐसे. नहीं, मुकेश जी मेरी बात सुनिए. मुकेश जी मेरी बात सुनिए. मैं आपसे एक बात पूछ रहा हूँ. कल आप किसी जाने माने व्यक्ति का नाम
सुन रहा हूँ.
मैं जाने माने व्यक्ति का नाम ले. आप अगर कल के भूपेन हजारिका तो आप कहेंगे संगीत में उनका ये कंट्रीब्यूशन था सारे भारत में. आप कल नाम बदल दें, आप कहें अदूर गोपालकृष्णन, तो आप कहेंगे अदूर गोपालकृष्णन ने केरला में न्यू सिनेमा का मूवमेंट खड़ा किया. एक कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है हर व्यक्ति का. तो मैं सवाल पूछ के अदूर गोपालकृष्णन का नाम लिया क्योंकि राहुल ईश्वर केरला से, वो जानेंगे किसके बारे में कह रहा हूं. आप यू आर कृष्णमूर्ति का नाम ले तो आप कहेंगे ये उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन है. आप मुझे आज कहिए कि ये जो व्यक्ति है गजेंद्र चौहान, इनका क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन है? कहीं मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा. कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या है? बस नहीं, सुनिए ना, ये
देखिए क्या है. आप लोग कंपेयर करते हो. आप एक बात समझिए मेरी. आप मुझे कहते हो कि आप कहते हो कि मुकेश खन्ना ने कैंपेन किया है, गजेंद्र चौहान ने कैंपेन किया है, इसीलिए उनको बनाया गया है.
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ
गजेंद्र चौहान को कैंपेन किया इसलिए बनाया गया.
ये कह रहे हैं कि दोनों आसाराम बाबू के भक्त हैं इसलिए. क्या कह रहे हैं?
गवर्नमेंट ने
Who said? Ask him. No. Mr. Mukesh Khanna has supported Asaram Bapu even after he was found guilty. And Mr. Gajendra Chauhan is on Mr. Gajendra Chauhan is on YouTube dancing with Asaram Bapu.
So I want to quote Mr. Gajendra Chauhan.
No, one second. Hansal Mehta is saying something. Hansal Mehta.
Don't bring such stupid
Mr. Gajendra Chauhan interview.
मैंने क्या किया है?
There's an interview of.
जी कहिए हंसल मेहता. Go ahead.
I want to quote Mr. Gajendra Chauhan, the chairman of the governing council of the FTII. Tell us about your personal favorites in cinema, Three Idiots, and in world cinema. I don't want to put it on record. I'm only involved with Indian cinema. So here is the government appointed chairman of the governing council of the Film and Television Institute of India. I don't want to put it on record. I'm only involved with Indian cinema.
I'm asking.
So,
Hansal,
the basic prerequisites for anybody to be selected.
Who is defaming him? No, how is Hansal defaming anyone? Please be careful of the word defamation.
Low-level Dixon, Gajendra Chauhan. It is unfortunate. It is, and if you are comparing Gajendra Chauhan on stage with Asaram Bapu, Syed Mirza is on record defending Charlie Hebdo attacks. So if you take case by case, and Syed Mirza was on record campaigning against Narendra Modi. So let us understand there is a center-left activists who are accommodated when Congress is on power, and there are center-right
you see, the problem
people who are
with you
accommodated
is
when BJP is on power. If you can defend the
listen.
let us understand it is a political battle, and it is not a crusade to save Indian cinema.
Rahul Ishwar, first of all, Hansal is
everything has to become right, center, left.
Yeah, and tomorrow I want to ask, can I ask a question?
Just make it the political you. When you have nothing to say, you scream.
That's the reason why they are calling it saffronization.
Acha, okay. Rahul Ishwar, listen, I'll ask you a question, okay? Can you tell me, Ranbir Kapoor, is he center right, center left, center right? Or what? North, south, west, east, what is Ranbir Kapoor? No, please tell me. कह दीजिए ना.
अरे उसने देखा है, सेंसिटिव लड़का है.
I can definitely tell Syed Mirza was center left.
No, Syed Mirza.
We respect people of eminence like Ranbir Kapoor or Adur.
Now listen. Arey bhai, why don't you listen to me, Rahul Ishwar? I want to say something to you. Rahul Ishwar. They say about Mamata Banerjee, right? That even if it rains too much in Kolkata, she will say it's a CPIM conspiracy. You understand? Similarly today, anybody who questions anything your government has done, you almost seem to suggest that the person has been paid off by the KGB or the CIA or is a Congress spokesperson. I am asking you, Rahul Ishwar, Ranbir Kapoor, who is the heartthrob of many young Indians.
One second. And I agree.
Why are you seeing ghosts? You have now become like Don Quixote fighting windmills. Listen to me, please. Sun to lijiye meri baat. Ranbir Kapoor says today, I think all these students require is an inspirational favor to look up to someone with a large body of work that can inspire or be inspired from.
Yeah.
Ranbir Kapoor, he hasn't gone to FTI, but as an actor, he knows today that a lot of people working in the Indian film industry are from FTI.
Sensitive.
He's saying he's a young fellow. He's saying that at least these students need to look up to someone they can respect. Now, I am asking you, please tell me which political party is Ranbir Kapoor from?
Yeah, very true.
No, which political party is he from?
Very true. We all respect people like Ranbir Kapoor. Yeah, definitely. Ranbir Kapoor is a heartthrob of many people, including us. Ranbir Kapoor, Adur Sir, Rasool Pukuti is also from my state. We respect those arguments. But we cannot close our eyes to the fact that there is a political ploy behind this, calling it saffronization.
What political ploy? This is the problem. This is the problem. Tell me, is Ranbir Kapoor part of a political ploy? People are speaking from the heart. Ranbir Kapoor is speaking from the heart.
I'm not saying so. But there are people who using this occasion. I agree. There are people using this occasion to further their politics.
Piyush is not from FTI.
मेरा कोई कनेक्शन नहीं FTI से. मैं खाली देखकर मतलब फेलो आर्टिस्ट हैं सारे के सारे. यार मुल्क के 80% जो है अवार्ड्स जो है इन लोगों को जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
टेक्निकल.
बिल्कुल.
है ना, बिना ऑडियोग्राफी के, बिना सिनेमेटोग्राफी के, बिना एडिटिंग के, ये सारे के सारे मतलब प्रोडक्ट्स FTI के ही हैं. सारे छोटे फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स, सारी शॉर्ट फिल्म, सारी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज. जो बॉम्बे इज नॉट FTI. बॉम्बे में नहीं जाते FTI के लोग बाग. अधिकतर लोग आते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग आप रीजनल प्रांतों में चले जाते हैं. वहां पर दे मेक डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज, वहां पर दे मेक स्मॉल सिनेमा. वो अलग से इंडस्ट्री है, उसमें इनका इतना बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है. आर्ट द प्राइड ऑफ इंडिया. सर, आर्ट द प्राइड ऑफ इंडिया. मैं आपसे पूछता हूं, इसमें कोई झगड़े वाली बात नहीं है. मैं खाली एक प्लेन आर्गुमेंट है कि बहुत ही सीधा सा आर्गुमेंट है कि क्वालिफिकेशन. इसमें मैं कोई एरोगेंट नहीं हूं. मैं कहीं बाहर नहीं कर रहा किसी पे. मैं क्वालिफिकेशन.
Shaina is responding.
With qualification comes experience. At one level, we keep on making this comparison of Gulzar Saab versus Gajendra Chauhan or Shyam Benegal versus
who should we compare him with?
1 minute.
Who do you want to compare him with?
1 second.
You tell me.
Are we going to compare constantly senior citizens who are greatly talented, immensely respected? Would they have the energy to interact with students on a daily basis? Or if somebody is taking on this as a challenge, belongs to the fraternity,
which fraternity? BJP fraternity.
The fraternity of television
BJP
and
film.
And if he has a thought
he says Asaram Bapu fraternity.
That could be his personal agenda.
What is his agenda?
Let me not make a dig at Mr. Patwardhan. We all know his allegiance and what he said even before the elections and after. So I'm not.
He's saying something.
That when there is a strike, if there is a movement where students want to agitate, those students need to interact.
Shaina, you know the warning signal. You should begin to read the warning signals when your own people begin to question you. Even BJP people are now beginning to question what have you done with FTI. Anyway, Anand Pandey.
I just want to read you the matter is not only about Mr. Gajendra Chauhan as chairperson. The matter is to do with the Society of the Film Institute. That is appointed after Mr. Modi comes to power. Can I read you the names of the society members? One is quickly. Anagha Ghaisas. What has she done? She's
got RSS background.
She's got Nanaji Deshmukh film she's made. She's made a film on Babri Masjid demolition saying how great it is. And she's made a film on Narendra Modi's success story. By the way, she has a court case judgment against her where she was asked to pay a fine of more than 4 lakhs because she stole the work of Mr. Nandan Kodiari, another Film Institute graduate. And the court has ruled against her, saying, I'll quote what the court says. The court says that she has no experience in film shooting, editing and directing. She doesn't know the difference between documentary and fiction. Quotation ends. Her husband is an RSS pracharak.
Sure.
Then there is Mr. Narendra Pathak.
There is a long list. I'm aware of
Narendra Pathak.
I'm aware of this. I'm aware of Narendra Pathak. I'm aware of Rahul Sopalpukar. I'm aware of the RSS. Yeah. Rahul Ishwar. Nobody. I don't hold the view that someone with an RSS.
Thank you, Anandji, for broadening the argument.
No. One second. Yeah. It's not.
Thank you for broadening the argument.
I don't. No. One second. Understand,
because
Rahul.
It is less about Gajendra Chauhan and more about something else.
No, Rahul. No. I am clearly saying there is nothing wrong. You make a BJP member. You know, you go ahead and if you even take a BJP MLA and MP and make him chairman, people will not have a problem, provided he has some stature, he has some body of work, he carries some respect. But if you now want to do what you want to do, then then people will begin to ask you that the only qualification appears to be BJP or RSS membership. That can't be the only qualification. You get me? Rahul Ishwar, a person is supposed to have achieved something else.
Something else. That is your position. That is your position. That is not Anand Patwardhanji's position. Anand Patwardhanji's position.
No, I think it is also Anand Patwardhan and Piyush's position.
Towards all people who are on center right.
No.
I concede.
What is center? What right is Ranbir Kapoor from?
I concede your argument in saying a person may have been considered. A person like Vinod Khanna or a person like Dharmendra.
Piyush, quickly, last 2 minutes on the debate. Piyush,
जनरल आउटक्रा है, हर जगह से आपकी रिपोर्ट आ रही है, मतलब इतनी सारी जगह पे एजिटेशन चल रहा है ये, इस बार तो मतलब कमाल ही मूवमेंट फैल गया है, हर जगह से ये रिपोर्ट आ रही है, हर जगह से ऑब्जेक्शन यही है कि बिलोंग करें एफआईआर के नहीं या नहीं, हार्डली मैटर्स, सबकी आपत्ति है कि वाई गजेंद्र सिंह चौहान, कोई और बंदा क्यों नहीं? अगर 3 ऑप्शन लाते आप तो मेरे ख्याल से उनमें से तीनों में से एक चुन लिया जाता, लेकिन एक बंदे को थोप दिया गया, ये मेरे तो गले पड़ने यार भाई, और मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारे लोग गले पड़ रहे हैं.
You know, I last word, please. I just want to say this. Yes, Hansal, go ahead quickly. Closing after this. Yeah. No, go ahead.
No, all I want to say is if the government wants to resolve this, please clarify what your recruitment criteria was and how Gajendra Chauhan fulfilled the recruitment criteria that was laid down by the government.
Yeah,
put it out on the table, show it to the FTI students and convince them that this is the correct appointment.
And to Mukesh Khanna, to wrap up, I'd say people's expectation from the BJP government was you will be tough on corruption, you will be tough against scams, you will be tough on scandals and killings like Vyapam. The expectation was not, Shaina, that you'll be tough on Gajendra Chauhan. That you have to be tough on scams and corruption, not tough on Gajendra Chauhan. If you're soft on scams and tough on Gajendra Chauhan, people will ask you, are you getting a little confused? Appears to be the case. I thank you all. This debate will continue. Thank you for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.